Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to look at assessments, okay, and some of the assessments that you will need to know about in regards to health and safety, okay. And I'm using the BTEC. Bear with me for a second. Yeah, let's see if we can get this. Sorry. Let's get it in line. 1 second. Bear with me. Okay. And I'm using the BTEC information, okay. So here we're looking at assessment assignment front sheet, okay, that's all. And BTEC extended diploma level 3 electrical engineering and unit 1 health and safety, okay. This is just for example purposes only, okay. And this is from South Staffordshire College, okay, at a point in time when I worked there. This is what we would have used, okay. Okay, so all I need you to look at is consider how let me change this color, these colors here, because some colors can be disturbing to some people, okay. And let's try and keep it dark blue if we possibly can, okay. Yeah, we'll go it dark blue if we can, yeah. Okay, so bear with me while I change these, okay. It's important that we're able to look at this, because I know red has an adverse effect on some people, so we need to take that into account, okay. So we'll go with that for now, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then here, let's make that a different color. Okay. So it's not red. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's try and make it orange instead. And I'll bring it up to bold. Okay. Hopefully with that will. Yes. We'll go with that. Okay. Let's go back to the top. Bear with me for a second. Okay. Okay. Right, we're just bringing this in now. This is something for you to do, to look at and to understand yourself. Now here we're asking you to describe the method used to identify hazards in a working environment. Describe how hazards which become risk can be controlled. Now you would have done this already, and you've been given a lot of information on health and safety, so read the information, refer to it, look at it, and look it up yourselves, okay? You don't need to be too long on this, okay? This is just a simple role, okay? And here we have your functional skills which will be relevant, the use of IT, okay, information evaluation and support, mathematics, okay. And here's some tasks and guidance notes for you to keep in mind and to look at for yourselves, okay. Look at the criteria that you have to meet. Make sure you're compliant with those criteria, okay. Okay, I hope you found this useful, okay. Just going back to make sure that I've got it all on camera, okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.